Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aman. So today we're gonna make our vegan rice pudding. So in this we're gonna need 2 liters of coconut milk. I prefer coconut milk, but you can use whichever milk you want. And our other ingredients are 1/3 cup of sugar, half a cup of rice, half a tablespoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 cup of coconut flakes, raisins, walnuts, cashews, almonds, and a pinch of saffron threads. First we're gonna soak our rice into water for 5 to 10 minutes, which I already did. So after soaking our rice, we're gonna mash our rice with our hand like this, as you can see. And now we're gonna soak our saffron threads in milk. We're gonna come back to it later. Now add the milk in a pan and bring it to boil. So after our rice are completely soaked, we're gonna drain out our rice. So now as you can see, our milk is boiling. Now we're gonna add our soaked rice and stir continuously for a minute. On a medium flame, let rice to cook. And now we're gonna chop our walnuts, cashews and almonds. So these are our chopped dry fruits. We're gonna put it aside. Check if our rice is cooked or not and stir it continuously. So as you can see, rice are half cooked. So now we're going to add our soaked saffron threads. Stir it continuously while adding our saffron threads. See, it gives a natural color to our rice pudding. Looks so delicious. Now we're going to add our cardamom powder and our coconut flakes. Now we're going to put aside some of our chopped dry fruits and raisins to garnish. And we're gonna add these. And stir continuously. Now as you can see, our rice are properly cooked and our dry fruits and raisins are also cooked. And we're gonna add sugar and stir it continuously. And let sugar to mix well. Make sure you stir it continuously because it's getting thick. Our vegan rice pudding is ready. Now we're gonna garnish with raisins and our chopped dry fruits. Now our vegan rice pudding is ready to serve. I'm gonna invite my mom to taste. Mom,
good. Very tasty. Very tasty.
So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please leave a comment and subscribe my channel so you won't miss a future video. See you next time.